Can you walk us through the process of creating a RESTful API in Spring Boot? Sure, here is a step-by-step process for creating a RESTful API in Spring Boot. Create a new Spring Boot project. You can create a new Spring Boot project using a tool like Spring Initializr or by manually configuring the project using a build tool like Maven or Gradle. Define the data model. Define the data model that will be used by your API. This could be done using Java classes annotated with JPA annotations or any other data access technology of your choice. Create a controller. Create a controller class that defines the endpoints of your API. An endpoint is a URL that the API responds to, and each endpoint can handle one or more HTTP methods, such as GET, POST, PUT, DELETE. The controller class should be annotated with @REST_controller or @controller, and each endpoint should be annotated with the appropriate HTTP method annotation, such as @GetMapping, @PostMapping. Implement the endpoints. Implement the logic for each endpoint of your API. This could involve querying the database, manipulating data, or performing other business logic. You can use dependency injection to inject any necessary services or repositories into your controller. Test endpoints. Test your endpoints using a tool like Postman or by writing automated tests using a testing framework like JUnit. Secure the endpoints, if necessary. Add security to your endpoints to restrict access and protect sensitive data. You can use Spring Security or another security framework of your choice. Deploy the application. Deploy your Spring Boot application to a production environment, such as a cloud provider or a self-hosted server. Overall, creating a RESTful API in Spring Boot involves defining the data model, creating a controller, implementing the endpoints, testing the API, securing the endpoints, and deploying the application. By following this process, you can create a production-ready API that can be used by other applications or users.